I am gonna go through my skincare haul with you. I am doing a skincare workshop on Saturday. I also offer individual consultations, but I wanted to show you what I ordered for the workshop, kind of walk you through the basics of skincare routine. So, skincare routine basically is 4 steps: cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer. Obviously, for morning time, you wanna add in a sunscreen, possibly an eye cream in the evening. So we're gonna just kind of briefly go over what I have to share on Saturday. And if you wanna join, I still have some space open. And if you want to do an individual consultation, we can do that too. Cleanser, this is the Youth Luminous Gel Oil Cleanser. I always get the words flip-flopped in the name of this one, but it is wonderful. I prefer to use it on dry skin, wet my fingers, massage it in, and then rinse it off. It also takes off makeup really well if you're a makeup wearer. The second step in your routine will be your toner. So they have their Youth Perfecting Skin Toner. This one also really is great for shrinking pore size. Toner is really great to use, and it's right before your serum. Reason being is that you want your skin to be a little damp before you put a serum on. Think of your skin like a sponge. When you take a dry sponge and you put it in water, it sucks up a lot of water. Squeeze all of it out, put it back in the water, and it will absorb more water. So when you are applying a serum to damp skin, your skin is gonna absorb it more. Serums are targeted solutions. So if you're struggling with dry skin, you want a hydrating serum. If you're concerned about dark spots, you want a vitamin C serum. And I'm gonna go over this more in the workshop, but I just wanna show you these. So this is a nighttime serum, actually. This is the activating serum that is targeted for lines and wrinkles. It also does an amazing job of evening skin tone. I have seen such a change in my skin in just like 1 month of having used this. This lasts about 3 months. The moisturizing serum, this is the moisture activating serum. Look how cool that looks. This stuff has saved my skin. I was really struggling with some really dry patches here, and this has like gotten rid of them. So I use this every morning and night. When you use multiple serums, you wanna start with the thinner one first and then work your way up to a thicker one. So I use this one after my Ageless Wands in the morning, and then I use my vitamin C serum. This is the Youth Super Oxidant Boost C Serum. It smells like fresh squeezed orange juice. I cannot wait for the ladies on Saturday to smell this and try this. It's literally mouth-watering, but this is formulated with 3 forms of vitamin C. It penetrates all 3 levels of your skin, layers of your skin, and it's just phenomenal. So if you need something to protect against sun damage, dark spots, if you're outside a lot, it protects from free radicals. So that's why this is a morning serum. You'll get the max benefits from it. Then after serums, you do moisturizers. So this is the Youth Daytime Moisturizer. It has a cute little sun on it, and it's super lightweight. You do not need a lot. All of these products, a little goes a long way. But you can kind of see the texture of it. It's very nice and smooth, and it smells like a spa. It smells so nice. So that's the daytime one. And then for nighttime, we have 2 choices. We have a light night cream and a rich night cream. And I like it that they offer these 2 because everyone is different with not only a personal preference, but what their skin needs. And as we get more into summer, a lot of people will switch their products to a more lightweight. Sometimes we don't need a thick, heavy moisturizer in the warmer months as we do in the colder months. So this is the light. It has a very similar texture as the day cream. And then you'll see the difference with the rich one, which I'm gonna show you right now. This is the rich one. You can see how thicker it is. I'm not gonna turn it upside down because I don't wanna risk it falling out, but it's a lot thicker and it's just phenomenal. So for me personally, I use a thicker night cream in the winter time, and then I switch to the light one in the warmer months. And then, because I got a regimen, I got eye cream for free. So this eye cream is really great. I'm not very consistent with eye cream personally, but I really do like this because it has a cooling tip. It's phenomenal. So if you follow me on Instagram, I did a reel showing this the other day, and it's really nice. So this is the basic skincare routine. Part of the goal in the workshop is to help people identify their primary skin concerns, help them learn a regimen, and pick the items that are best for them, and help them get into a great routine. And then we also address how we can support our skin from the inside, and I'll be sharing more information on that later. But thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna put links to this in the comments, in the description. And just really excited to help people with their skincare. Again, if you're local to me, we can meet in person, or we can also do a virtual. I will put my consultation link in the description as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.